Hello people, namaste, welcome back to my channel Buckle Up and Explore. My name is Nidhi Chauhan and today is another super fun vlog day. I am going to vlog the process of getting vaccinated. It's the 4th of May today and me and my sisters are going to get vaccinated. So let's see how it goes, and the center is Seven Hills Hospital. So let's go. So we went to get the vaccination, guys, but even after registering and getting booked our slots, they are saying that vaccinations are not available and it's out of stock, and they are saying to come back after 2-3 days. So let's see what happens. Until then, I'll keep you all posted if I'm ever going again back, and let's vlog after 2-3 days then. Bye. Hello people, it's 6th of May, 9 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going again today. Seven Hills has called. Let's see what happens. I'll keep you all posted. Hey guys, I'm here at Seven Hills Hospital. I'm supposed to wait now to get it checked as to can we get it today or not. So let's see, I'll keep you all posted. Hey guys, I finally received the token after 2 hours of waiting. This is the token here, and I feel like I've accomplished something because it was a task getting it. So I'm waiting for my sisters. I was sitting here and we'll be going up now. See ya. Okay guys, so a little backstory. Like I told you before also, we were supposed to get vaccinated on the 4th, but because there was no stop of vaccination, we had to come today again. And because we came today again, that day the security people said that it won't be an issue, but today they made a hell lot of issue out of it as to why we didn't come that day. Then after explaining it to them that we came that day and the vaccinations were over, then they started talking and checking with their seniors, and the whole process took around 2 hours. After this 2 whole hours, that's when we got our yellow pass, which is mandatory, and that's when now we are sitting for our turn to go inside and get vaccinated. But yes, guys, if this is happening to you, make sure that you tell them that no, I have come today and I have to get it done. If they're not letting you get it done, saying vaccination is over, make sure that they give it to you in writing, or you ask them what exactly has to be done, because this is just a sheer waste of time. I mean, sitting since morning 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock just for a pass doesn't make sense, right? And it's scorching heat outside, so make sure of that. That why did we go back that day and why didn't we come that day. It was so hard to explain it to them, whereas it is their fault. But finally we are here, and this is the vaccination center. I will show it to you. Yeah, we are going to get vaccinated, and I'll tell you how it feels after getting vaccinated. Stay tuned. So I'm finally vaccinated now, and we have to wait for half an hour under observation. So they've made us wait over here, and they've written on the paper, and then they've also said that we have to come after 45 days. So we are waiting over here. And for the pain, it does hurt a little, the prick, but yeah, it's normal. It's not going to hurt you very much. So yes, if you haven't got vaccinated, yes, do get vaccinated. Guys, I'm back home now, and currently I'm not feeling anything except for I'm feeling a little dizzy and there's a little pain in my hand. But yes, I will keep you all posted, and I will see till night what all happens, and until then, stay tuned. Hey guys, like I told you, I'll tell you all everything about what happened after the vaccination. So on the day that I got vaccinated, that was 6th May, I didn't feel anything, only headache, and there was a little bit of stiffness in the left arm and the back, but nothing else. And I went to sleep properly that night. I had Crocin though, because they tell you that if you feel anything little also feverish, you need to have Crocin. Still at 4 a.m. in the morning, I started getting high fever. I got 101 fever, and then again I had to have Crocin. I went back to sleep. Again when I got up in the morning, There was so much stiffness in my left hand, in the whole shoulder area, in the neck area, in the back, that I couldn't take the pain. But it is also told very clearly that you're not supposed to have any painkiller medicine. It can cause a lot of problems. You can only have paracetamols, and that is a Dolo or a Crocin as per what your center tells you. You can ask them if they are not informing you that. Apart of that, again I had 101 fever all throughout the day, and so it was coming in intervals. It used to come either in the morning or in the afternoon, in the night time. So yesterday thrice I had 101 fever, severe body ache, severe headache, इतना कि कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता है, बॉडी पूरी स्टिफ हो जाती है, ना हिल सकते हैं, ना कुछ कर सकते हैं, लेटे लेटे भी, बिकॉज यूर लाइंग डाउन देयर इज सो मच प्रॉब्लम. पूरा टाइम लेटे रहने से बैक पेन होते रहता है, सर दुखता है, और कोई मूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा है बॉडी में, इसलिए और ज़्यादा बीमारी लगती है. सो बट आई कैन tell you all that this is just a one day thing, that is the day you're getting vaccinated, and the other day, because your body is getting immune, it is generating fighting cells, and your white blood cells are generating the memory to fight such a disease. Only that's the reason why you're facing this. This is for your own good. I know it will not feel good. You will feel like, why did we even get vaccinated? इससे अच्छा तो नहीं किया जाता, क्योंकि हम totally fine थे. But this is necessary, this is mandatory. So guys, do get vaccinated. And yes, like I told you all, go to Arogya Setu, get yourself registered over there. You can do it on CoWIN app also. And once the slot opens, so it usually opens around 7:30ish in Mumbai. Sometimes at 8 o'clock, you can get yourself booked and register, schedule it. Without scheduling, you cannot go there. And once it is scheduled, you need to go and get vaccinated. That's it. That's how simple this is. You can get a free vaccination, you can get a paid one. Mine was a free one in Seven Hills Hospital. It was Covishield. Covaxin is not available over there. So it was Covishield, and the first dose was done on 6th. Now for the second one, I have to go by 21st of June. So that's it. That was all about it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. Also, you can come and check my Instagram page, and you can ask me over there. You can follow me on Instagram, that is at Buckle Up and Explore. And if there's any doubts, I'm going to put a Q&A session today. You can come and follow me, and you can ask your questions over there. I'll definitely answer all of them. Until then, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This means a lot. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.